Hey, hello and welcome. My name is Kalam. In this video, I'm going to show you how to exactly create AI animated photo, text to photo. It's absolutely free. It's better than Midjourney and any others text to AI tool. So at first, I'm going to Chat GPT because Chat GPT help to write prompt any if you want any prompt and any images and any others. All right, a kid story alone and jungle. Is wait 1 or 2 seconds because Chat GPT write a short story and a prompt for me. Just stop. Just I copy the first one, and you can see this is it. At first, you need. I'm going to Lexica.com. You know, Lexica is a text to AI image generator. It's absolutely free, so you don't need login for download any image here. But if you want to generate any photo, you need to log in here. Just put your Gmail. That's it. So I click in generate, then put your Chat GPT right at prompt just on. So what type of size you need right now? I need this format, and if you want to others portrait, so I need this one. So just click generate. Wait 1 or 2 seconds because it's for processing time. This is really cool. And if you want to generate any other photo, example of kid jungle. Just wait 1 or 2 seconds. Oh my god, this is a really cool and beautiful images, and it is full HD. I hope it's better than Midjourney because you know Midjourney is a paid tool. It's monthly and $10 subscription fee. So you have no cost here. Just I type here WTV football Messi. Just wait few seconds. Wow, I think it's 90 to 95% match for original Messi. I will understand and if you are able to create any pictures. Here is lots of images, lots of art. You can download any image or art. It's free, 100% free. You have no cost. Example of really cool. Here is millions of free template. You can download anything. Wow. So if you want to more video about this topic, please subscribe my channel and turn on notification bell. Thank you.